Subscribe the channel Knowledge Apex and press the bell icon adjacent to the subscribe button to get the instant notification of the latest videos in the future.
So hello guys, welcome you on the Knowledge Apex. I am your Magesh here. So today in this video we will see the 5 best premium job and career oriented online courses for free with the certificates too. So let's know the more details about this. So stay tuned and keep watching this video. So at the number 1 we have the Startup India Learning Program, a 4 weeks online course which is completely free of cost, and this course will be available in both Hindi and English. And duration of this course, as I said, it's a 4-week course and it's completely online course. You can do according to your comfort and time. It means how much time you devote to this course, it depends on you, like 1 hour, 2 hours per day, it depends on you. So what are the key program features you will be getting in this course? It is here. And after the end of this course, you will be getting a certification, official Startup India and University certification by Government of India. And these are the program syllabus. Go through this. In this course, you will be learning from India's top entrepreneurs and eminent faculties and industry participants. So this course is framed according to, like it means from the very basic and scratch level it is framed, so that it can be reached to every common man who have the dream of having their own startup or who are interested in doing an entrepreneurship program. So next we have the course on digital marketing by Google. So get certified in the fundamentals of digital marketing. So it is a course called Digital Unlocked by Google, where it offers variety of courses, and this course is of 26 modules and duration of 40 hours, and it is very ideal for beginners, and most of all it is free of cost. And at the end of this course you will be getting this certificate from the Google. So next we have the course on skill development by TCS Ion, the career edge, knock down the lockdown. See, all these courses are by the premium courses by the organizers, as you say, this by Tata, and last one we say by Google, and first one we say by the Government of India. So these courses are all premium courses, so please utilize this time and do these courses. As you see, this is an online course, and it is a duration of 2 weeks and your commitment of 12 hours per week, and medium of instruction is English here. So it is an online self-paced course in which you can do this course according to your comfort, how much time you can devote for this course. So what you will learn you can see here, and at the end of this course you will be getting the certification. So this course is completely for those who are an undergraduate student or PG student or fresher who want to start his career into the corporate world. So this course is a must-do course for them, because it will be boosting of your hard skills and soft skills in this 15 days, where you can make best use of your lockdown period to sharpen your skills. So next we have a course on Ultimate Android Tutorial for App Development. It is an Android app development course by Edunix, which is a popular destination for doing online courses. And at this time you will be getting its zero price, nil price, and you will be getting the certification after completing this course. And this will be the course content you will be getting in this module. We'll be having 10 session in this, and it is completely of English medium, and it will be having 58 lectures comprising of 7 hours of content. And these all courses are self-paced. It means you can do this course according to your comfort, and this is for the beginner people also who have no idea about the Android apps and how to build the apps. So this is a very good platform to learn the Android apps, how to make them, and it will also the basic knowledge of programming is required, preferred in Java for doing this course. So last we have the final course on web development. It means how to create a website using the WordPress for the beginners. So it comprises of 21 lectures, and it is of duration 1 hour 9 minutes 49 seconds, and it's very ideal for beginners, as I said. So at the end of this course you will be getting a certificate also with this course, and here is a course content you will be getting, and also discussion forums is there, course prerequisite is there, what you be learning in this course, and all thing is there. So from the very beginning, from the scratch, you can start learning this course. So that's the end of this video, and if you want to do any of these courses, please check the links in the description of this video. And if you want me to make video on any particular courses, so please let me know at the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Until then, see you all, take care and have a good day.